How to change battery on a 2019 Honda Civic. You'll need your key fob, a CR2032 battery, and something plastic to open with. I'm going to just use an old gift card. Release the key. You can see a little gap between there. You can put the key in there. And just give it a little twist. Be careful when you open it, because all these buttons are going to fall out if you're not careful. So I usually lay it flat with the logo up. Take it off. And here you can see the battery. And it's in there pretty good with 4 little tabs. What you're going to do is work from the top, using something plastic to not damage things, and just get it under there a little bit. Give it a little twist. Maybe with your other fingernail you can push a little pressure on one of the tabs. Just turn it a little bit until you get it up. I'll pry it out. Remove it out. Put the new battery in. See a little light up. Put the case back on. Snap it together. And reinsert your key. All done.